Okay, so I have not started the car. This will be my first attempt. Kind of watching the oil pressure. Um, well, and other things. I had to go get something, but anyway, we'll see what happens. Make sure I got a fire extinguisher ready. Okay. Okay, so first attempt at starting it. Let me see what happens here. Must have put the camshaft in right. Ooh, yeah, smell the gas. I'm gonna look at the video and see what kind of oil pressure. Oh yeah, it's got oil pressure. Oh no, it's back on. Is that zero? Yeah, it's back on zero. But let me look and see. Make sure we got oil pressure on that gauge. Seemed like it started okay. I don't know. What do y'all think?